I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and the exact Windows build. This matters because fixes change by version. Once confirmed, disconnect extra monitors and USB devices to isolate display issues. Next, open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus S and look for a frozen Windows Security or Explorer process. If Explorer is unresponsive, select it and click Restart. This refreshes the desktop shell and often restores the security UI. Do that now and watch for the blank screen to clear. Once Explorer Restart didn't fix it, open an elevated PowerShell and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These repair corrupt system files that break the security app. Make sure Windows Security Center service and related services are set to automatic and running. Start them if needed. If corruption persists, create a temporary local admin account and sign in. This isolates user profile corruption and shows whether the blank screen is account-specific or system-wide. If scans and service checks fail, reset the Windows Security app in Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Advanced Options, or use PowerShell to reinstall or re-register the app package. As a last resort fix, perform an in-place upgrade with the Media Creation tool to repair the OS without losing files. If problems continue, boot to safe mode to test, or roll back to a recent system, restore point. This often undoes recent changes that caused the blank screen. If all else fails, note error logs before seeking further help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.